Okay guys, today, we're trying to do this. We're trying to make a fart sound, okay? I know you're trying this. You guys can use any shaving cream, okay? Any shaving cream to do this, and then any shaving cream to make the fart sound. So take off the cover, and then there's should be a button or whatever it is, and then just try to make so much, about that much, and then rub it all around your hands. And you might need a lot more. Just keep rubbing it around. Then subscribe and put a thumbs up. Subscribe, put a thumbs up, and I have a second channel. It's called Master21. I'm gonna put it down in the comments down below, so you guys know to my other YouTube channel, which is down there in the comments down below, so you guys can know. Or I need a lot. I'm gonna take this. No, what the heck? So try to get about this much, and then Master21. I'm gonna put my channel on here. Put my channel name into my Master21 comments, so that way you guys can watch me and this vlogging channel, and the other gaming channel is on right there. I do gaming. This is my face. This is my activity stuff for you guys. And then hold on. So you know how there's a lot up here? Try to push it down, and then it should be it. See how it makes that sound? Oh crap. Push it down below. It's trying to not work now. Oh crap. You're supposed to do this. Okay. I made a fart sound earlier. Maybe we need I'm gonna try this over. Yeah, and I'm gonna put a lot of it. A lot of the shaving cream. And almost done. Yeah. So much stuff. Okay. So try it again. It shouldn't be doing that. Oh, that's good. A little bit more. Okay, there. Oh, that was close. See, it's getting close. See? You guys hear it? And that will probably do it for today's video. And it's gonna be fun. Remember, Master21, subscribe. I'll put my channel name down below. Okay, if it doesn't work, I'll try to like put more comments in there or something, or I'll make another video. But it is so messy. And I'm gonna turn it off, but I'm just gonna like rinse my hands off because I don't want the camera to get dirty. Uh, so we're done here. I'm gonna clean this up. It's a lot of foam, shaving foam thing. It doesn't need it. It has to be foam. Foam. And ordinary you to squeeze your hands together. So that's why I'm saying you guys have to get foam. And do not try this in front of your family. They will think it's very messy. Try this outside or something, okay? Share these videos with share these vlogs with your friends and other people, okay? And we are gonna sign out. I'm gonna sign out, but I might do like another video. I don't know. So I'm gonna bring you along. Okay, guys. I'm gonna be going. I'm gonna be getting to go out. Okay. So remember, subscribe, smash the thumbs up, and then comment down. I'll comment down below my YouTube channel name. Okay, and then that way you can watch both of my channels. And I'm out.